How to enable airplane mode on an LG phone. Airplane mode is a mode on your LG phone that quickly disables all radio and network connectivity on the phone. This includes Wi-Fi, cellular, and Bluetooth. It is named airplane mode because airlines require passengers to disable all network activity on electronic devices during takeoff and landing to prevent any potential interference with the plane's electronics. There are two ways to enable or disable airplane mode. Option 1. Quick settings. Drag down the notification window from the top of the screen by tapping, holding, and dragging down on the notification bar. Expand the quick settings by tapping, holding, and dragging down on the quick settings bar. Now tap on the airplane mode button to highlight it, then press turn on to enable the setting. Tap the airplane mode button again to disable the setting. Option 2. From settings. Tap on settings, then tap on network and internet. Tap on airplane mode to toggle the setting on, and tap it again to toggle it off. Thank you for choosing LG. We hope you enjoy your phone. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.